You've just unboxed your shiny new gadget. It's got all the bells and whistles, but there's one tiny problem: it's not working as advertised. You've tried everything, from shaking it vigorously to performing a rain dance. So, what's your next move? You guessed it, customer support. But what if it's Tesla? A company known for its sleek cars and even sleeker website, but not exactly renowned for its easily accessible contact information. Let's dive into the world of emailing Tesla. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why bother emailing Tesla? They're a billion-dollar company. They should have a hotline to the CEO. While that would be ideal, reality is a bit different. Emailing can often be the most effective way to get a response, especially for complex issues or when you need a written record of the conversation. But here's the kicker: Tesla doesn't exactly plaster their email addresses all over the internet. It's like they're playing hide and seek with their customers. So, let's embark on this digital treasure hunt together. First things first, let's talk about what you want to achieve with your email. Are you trying to resolve a service issue? Get information about a new product? Or maybe you're a shareholder with a burning question. Understanding your goal will help you choose the right recipient. If you're dealing with a service issue, your best bet is to start with the Tesla support page. They have a contact form there that can be a good starting point. However, if you're facing a particularly frustrating issue or need to escalate your case, you might need to go a step further. There are rumors floating around about generic Tesla email addresses like email address removed or email address removed. While these might work in some cases, it's not guaranteed. Tesla is a big company with different departments handling different things. Sending an email to a generic address might just result in your message getting lost in the digital void. So, how do you find the right email address? Well, a bit of online sleuthing is required. Start by searching for specific Tesla departments or individuals related to your issue. For example, if you're having trouble with your Tesla solar panels, you might search for Tesla Solar Customer Support email. Social media can also be a goldmine. Check Tesla's Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram accounts. Sometimes, they'll provide email addresses or contact information in their bios or replies to customer comments. Once you've found the right email address, it's time to craft your message. Be clear, concise, and polite. Include all relevant details about your issue, such as your order number, vehicle identification number, VIN, or any error messages you've encountered. Attach any supporting documents, like photos or videos, that can help illustrate your problem. And remember, while it might be tempting to vent your frustration, keep your tone professional. You're more likely to get a positive response if you're courteous. Now, let's talk about expectations. Don't expect an immediate response. Tesla, like any large company, deals with a high volume of emails. Be patient and give them reasonable time to get back to you. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame, follow up politely. But remember, persistence is key, not harassment. And there you have it, a roadmap to emailing Tesla. It might not be the smoothest journey, but with a little patience and determination, you can hopefully resolve your issue. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.